Hey, can I place order for pickup? Can I just get the clubber sandwich? Oh, really? Okay, perfect. Thank you.
No bread at all.
No bread at all at Blue Barn. They're like, yeah, we don't have any bread. I could go to the one on Steiner. Before town, busy. Trying to get my food real quick. Bag secured. Daisy's just having an absolute field day, finding like little food in the sand and stuff. Sketch little dog around too. Hey, not too far. I do realize this is just Daisy running around the beach a bunch, but it's a good video, right? Daisy! And I'm gonna have to cut it off right there. Over. 100% worth it.
Pretty girl, you are the light of my life.
That was fun. What'd you think about that, Daisy? What'd you think, Daisy? You need your window down? Oh, shit, sorry.
Pretty girl, you are the light of my life.
Did you have fun at the beach? Hey, did you have fun at the beach? Alright, we made it home, Daisy.